What's up everyone, this is Tree, and today I would like to introduce you a new paper airplane. This is a bird-like paper plane and it's fly very well indoor. I have no idea how it's fly outdoor, so let's test it out. Hi everybody, today let's make a new cool paper airplane. This is my new design and this is the paper bird. I have not had a name for the bird yet, but let's make it. To make the paper bird, you need a piece of your letter size paper. The thinner the paper, the better it will be. You can also use A4 paper to fold this plane. Now first of all, let's fold the paper in half. Then turn the paper this way. Let's fold the paper in half again. Now open one side of the paper and now you have two layers. Let's open the two layers. Open the two layers. Hold the paper like this and match the top edge to the lower crease. Then repeat the same fold for the other side. Hold the paper like this and match the upper edge to the lower crease. And open this layer and fold it to the other side. And now what you should have. Alright, so now we have the two layers, one layer on the top and the lower layer. Let's fold this part up and start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. When you fold this edge to the center crease, you should leave a small gap between the center crease to the edge. So like I'm doing now, leave a small gap. A gap here is about 1/4 of an inch. You can see this gap. Good. And fold this layer back to the other side. Same thing for the other side. And repeat the same fold for this side. You should leave a small gap, alright? And fold this layer back and to hold the paper airplane. Next, this is very simple. Just start from the tip here, fold straight out to this point. Actually, you do not need to fold straight to this edge. You should leave about 1 inch from this tip or this edge along the center crease and make a mark here and start from the tip, fold straight to this point. The paper is a little bit thick. Now we have so many layers, so just be patient. And on the following step, let's start from this edge. Fold straight to this corner. No, we will not do it. We estimate about 1/2 inch along this edge from this corner and for this edge down. Okay, so same thing for this side. And then next, let's start from this tip and fold straight up to create the bit of the bird. So let's do it. And now I'll fold the paper in half. Okay. For this part, now we need to fold down. So I just folded to create a crease here. This will help you guys to fold the plane easier. So start from this edge of the wings, fold toward the bottom of the wings. So same thing for the other side. Now we have this crease. It's a preference. Just fold this backward and press the paper down very hard. Alright. Same thing for both sides. On the following step, let's put the paper down and start from this side, the corner. You can see the intersection of the tip of the paper match with this edge. Use this corner as a reference and fold straight down here to create the wings. Yes, match to this corner should work too. So just fold it. Same thing for the other side. The top here is a little bit thick, so fold it carefully. When you finish one side, repeat the same for the other side. You may need to adjust the wing a little bit so that both sides even, and fix the wings. And this is how the bird should look like. It has a very nice tails, and it has the wings. To make the paper airplane fly well, we need to create the stabilizers. So fold the end of the wings up. See that we have this corner, use this corner as a reference to fold the wings up. Alright, and open the wings. Flat it down a little bit so that the wings look more like a bird. And now you can hold the paper airplanes, test it out, fix the head. And here you go. This is the new paper airplane. It should fly very well. It will not fly very far though, but it's a cool paper airplane. Check it out. It will fly well for you. Give videos a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and don't forget to comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to curl the wings up too and make the stabilizers elevators. This will help elevate the airplane. Here we go. Thank you for watching again, guys. Bye. See you next time.
Hello again, everyone. On this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to make a boomerang paper plane. This is called the Seahawk. To make this origami, you need a pen or pencil and a piece of your letter size. You can also try A4 paper. Now, let's fold the paper in half lengthwise.